cooking jalapeno cornbread on a beautiful day in a Dutch oven. Let's get cooking. First step, start your coals, get your Dutch oven preheated, and start cooking some bacon. Ten coals on the top, 10 coals on the bottom. It wasn't quite enough, so I added a bit more coals on both sides just to make sure that the bacon was really crisp. So as you're flipping the bacon, if it's kind of got this clearish look to it, that's how you're going to know it's too soon. So that's when I add more heat. And here you can see that it's crisping up real nice. Chop up 3 large green onions, leaving some to put on top of the batter. Chop the roots off and then chop off the tops of the onions because that's where animals eat. Cut up 2 large jalapenos, using the first few slices for the top of the batter, so save those for later. Dice up all the rest. Jalapenos have a great flavor. I also love habaneros, but you gotta be so careful with those. Every time I use those and don't use gloves, my hands tingle for a week. Jalapenos not so much, still very hot. Be careful. Oh yeah, after handling hot peppers, do not touch your eyes or your junk.
Not that hot. Man, you can't see me very well, but you can definitely see the clouds behind me. It was sunny, beautiful out. It's still very, very nice. I don't know if there's freaking rain coming in or what, but these clouds look awesome back there. That one. I'm gonna eat that one.
Pour out the grease, but leave a tablespoon of bacon grease to saute the onions. Saute them for a minute or less. Mix together the dried ingredients using a basic cornbread recipe. Cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Make a well and add the wet ingredients: buttermilk, 1 egg, and melted butter. Make sure the butter is cooled down a little bit after you melted it so that you don't cook the egg. Add the diced onions, bacon, and jalapenos. forget to leave a little bacon and cheese to add to the top of the batter. Spread the batter out in the Dutch oven so that it cooks evenly. Replace the lid and add more coals if needed. I got the bottom a little overdone, so 10 coals on bottom should be fine. I would probably put more heat than I did on top to brown it a little bit better. So probably more around 20 coals on top. Wait a minute, you idiot, you forgot something. For a nice presentation, add the leftover toppings: bacon, cheese, jalapenos, and the onion.